Okay, I'm getting ready to do, to change my worm tubs, and I just thought that you might like to see how I do it. Cut a piece of cardboard to put in the bottom. Got your holes in the bottom of the tub. If you put a piece of cardboard over that, it just gives it a little, base there so that you don't get things coming out the bottom. Yesterday, I mixed up leaves and peat moss. And I'll show you here. It's in here. I've added water. Now what I'm going to add is some composted manure. You just need to make sure that this is moist enough. You don't want it so wet that you can wring it out. And this is just right. Normally I'd be doing this outside, but we've had an extremely cold winter. I keep my worm tubs in the house. My tubs are long overdue to have the worms taken out. I've just been hoping for better weather and haven't gotten it. I have to put a mask on. The mixture of peat and leaves can give you some breathing problems if you have a mold allergy, so you might want to put on a mask. But I'm going to mix this composted manure in. This is still frozen. The place that I got it had it outside, and it's been in the house overnight, but it's still not thawed out. Mix it up. Also, you want to put your water in about 24 hours ahead of time just to make sure that you have everything can just kind of soak it in. You really, really don't want worm tubs that are too dry. Now we're going to put the mixture in here. Okay, this is my new tub right here, and I'm going to try to show you how I do this. I need to find a spot where I've fed the worms, which I think is, yep, right there. And I just take them out, put them in the new tub. See? Put them in the new tub. Now what I'll do is leave a light on, and they will go down into the bin and be just fine in there. That is one method of getting the worms out of the tub.